Hi students, this is Abdul Razak, lecturer in computer science from Vishwadaya Degree College, Vengonda. I will discuss about the subject of Java programming. This Java subject is for third semester BSc Computer Science. First of all, I will discuss about the Java program. So here software is used to execute Java application is JDK. Here JDK means Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. So look like here in the C language, we have the Turbo C compiler. In the C language, when we are typing the program like source code, the source code is compiled into the Turbo C software, a Turbo C compiler. Just look like same as it is. In the Java, the software is used to JDK application. What is that? JDK, Java Development Kit. The JDK have two things. The JDK have the again divided into two things. One is compiler. Second one is JRE. So JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. So the compiler is nothing but when we are typing the Java source code into the notepad, then we have to compile the Java program using a compiler. So like it will create the own dot class file. When we are typing the Java programming, we can save the file as a .java in the notepad. And this .java file again will copy or compile into the JDK software. The JDK software again will two types of compiler and JRE. So compiler, after compiler, it will given to the JRE runtime environment. But in JRE, another one is divided into the JVM, nothing but Java Virtual Machine. So this is not a operating system, but the compiler depend on the JVM, and this JVM is dependent on the some OSs like OS nothing but Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So every operating system have the own JVM, Java Virtual Machines. So in the JDK, in JDK software, when we have to compile the programming, it will create the bytecode. Like dot class file. Then again, this bytecode So given to the JVM machine, it will the file means dot class file given to the JVM machine. Then again in the JVM the output will displayed. The output will be displayed. So finally output will displayed in the JVM or from the JVM. So this topic next I will explain. So just a little bit. So software is used to execute the Java application is JDK, like in the C language Turbo C. So JDK divided into two. It is compiler and JRE. So JRE nothing but Java Runtime Environment. Again JRE divided into the one thing, it is the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine is not a operating system, but it will depend on the operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Every operating system have own JVM. In the JVM, the Java class file will be copied into the JVM. So remember once, in the C language, when we have to type any addition of two numbers, it will save the file extension is .c. For example, add.c in the Turbo C. Where is that? In the Turbo C compiler. Again, it will be compiled into the Turbo C. Then it will create the another file is add.obj object file, and output also will displayed in the obj file. Output also displayed on the .obj file. But in the Java programming, when we are typing the same as this, for example, add.java in Notepad, but using the some software. What is the software? JDK. Some versions are there, but we have to discuss about the JDK, Java Development Kit, in the place of Turbo C. For example, in the Turbo C, we can use the JDK software, but JDK have the compiler and JRE. Two things are there. Okay. After that, when we are compile the Java programming in JDK, then it will be created another file add.class file. So class file is nothing. Class file is not a machine code, but this class file again will copy into the JVM machine. So every operating system have own JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Then our output will displayed in the JVM or using JVM from JVM. So I will discuss about the JVM after some classes. So main topic is the Java features. Java features. So Java features is our first feature is the compiled and interpreted. Compiled and interpreted. So compiled means compilation. So our Java program compiled in two stages. So first stage already discussed dot class file. Okay. So first stage The Java compiler translate source code into the known as the bytecode instruction. So in the first stage, Java compiler. What is that? Java compiler translates source code